Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to MRK Academy. Today we will learn how to download and install VS Code IDE. So for that purpose you have to go to Google and type VS Code. Okay, fine, let me do it. Here we have a Google Chrome, and in a Google Chrome let me type it Google and then go for VS Code. You have to download the latest version of Visual Studio Code, and here we have the multiple softwares for Windows, Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora, SUSE, Macintosh and ARM. But you have to download the Windows if you are using the Microsoft Windows operating system. Let me click on it, and here our download will start, and click on download the unverified file. It will take some time. Okay, here now our VS Code software is downloaded. Here we have, just click on it and accept the agreement and click on next, and create a start menu folder. If you want to create a start menu folder, it's your wish, make it check, or if you don't want to create the start menu folder, your wish. Now here we have the option create a desktop icon. Yes, we want the desktop icon. Add open with code. If you are going to download the code from GitHub or anywhere else, you are going to download the Python script, so you can obviously open your Python script by using the open with option. After that we have the same, click on next, click on install. Now this will take some time. Let me pause the video. Now here you can see that Visual Studio Code setup is installed. Now click on finish. Now this is the background of the VS Code. Now here we have to do some changes in a software or our IDE. So here first of all you should go to apps and install the code runner. Here you have, when you are going to type the code runner, then your code runner will be here and you can install it. I have already installed the code runner, so no need to install. And the second thing, you have to install the Python. Like you are going to deal with the Python language, that's why you have to install the Python. And if you want to install the debugger, it's your wish. And here we have a Python environment. If you are going to install, make it install, and Python extension, fine. So actually these are the extension which is used by us in coming tutorials. Now the second is, it will take some time while installing the extensions. Now here you have this gear option. In a gear option you have to do some changes. First of all, choose the theme, color theme, and in a color theme you have to choose Monokai, because the Monokai setting is little bit easier as compared to other setting. And another thing, just go to settings, and here you have to fit the key for running the code. So for that purpose you should have to type the code runner, and here we have some boxes we have to change, we have to check it. The first one is clear previous output. When we are going to run our code and our code is running, and it will show us the previous output as well. So if you want to remove the previous output, you have to just check it. Another thing we have to change here is, we have to run our program in a terminal. Actually, running a program in a terminal is little bit easier, because when a user give inputs, so in an output portion it will not give the input, because when I am clicking here and typing something else here, it will shows me that it is only the view mode place. Fine. Okay. Now, so this is how to run your code in a terminal and how to clear the terminal or previous clutter. Now, one another thing, let me click on it, and here we have some shortcut keys. So you can also change the shortcut keys. Here we have keyboard shortcuts. Just click on it and let me choose the code runner, and here we have the F3 shortcut key is used for running our code. Okay, these are all the settings which is must. Thank you very much for watching the videos. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification.